Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the headlight assembly and the turn signal marker assembly on my 2004 Silverado 2500 HD. Obviously, first thing you need to do is pop the hood. Once you pop the hood, you'll see that there's a pin on top of the headlight. What you need to do is take this pin and just back it all the way out. At this point, you need to tilt the actual headlight forward and all the way down. Once you do that, you need to disconnect the high beam and the low beam, and then it just pulls out. Alright, so once you guys remove the headlight assembly, to remove the bottom turn signal marker assembly, what you need to do is push on that clip right there. So the only connection is that clip right there and the part where it slides into pivot right there. So you push on that clip, pop it out, and then just pull back. Obviously, to get it all the way out, you have to disconnect the harnesses and the bulbs, which you do by twisting them and pulling them out. Once you put all the bulbs back in and twist them back into their sockets, what you need to do is insert this end into that pivot point and just push that tab back into place. You'll hear a loud audible click because the markers are new, so the plastic's quite tight, so you'll know that it actually went in. Next, it's the headlight's time to go back in. So what you need to do is come back here and plug the connectors back in, or if you're using your old bulbs, just plug the actual bulbs into their socket. These headlights and turn signal assemblies I ordered from rockauto.com. They were a really good price, really nice product, and they actually came with new bulbs. But I'm going to be replacing the low beams with some HIDs over the next coming days, which I will film another video for on how to do that and how to wire those up. So let me get finished on putting this back in, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, once you guys have it back in place, remember to put that pin and push it all the way back through so it's nice and tight. And that's all that's really involved with it. As you can see, these are the new ones, and then these are the old ones. There's not that big of a difference, but it's a big enough difference for me to actually change them. As you can see, these are foggy. The clear coat on them is kind of cracked, and they could be wet sanded down and buffed out, and they would look better. But I just prefer the new ones because they're cheap enough and they make a pretty nice difference, as you guys can see. So this side's exactly the same, but otherwise that is about it for the end of this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them down below. Like I said, I'll be making another video on how to install the actual HIDs and the low beams of these. So if you guys liked the video, feel free to throw a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe because I'll be putting out some more videos soon. Thanks.